What's the meaning of backline? Backline. Backline.
Backline. Backline. The term backline originated in the music industry and refers to the equipment and instruments that are placed at the rear of the stage during a performance. This includes, but is not limited to, amplifiers, drums, keyboards, and microphones. The backline is essential for providing the necessary sound and support for musicians during live performances. The term has since expanded to encompass other industries, such as event production, where it refers to the staging elements that are placed towards the rear of an event space. The backline plays a key role in creating a successful event by providing important infrastructure and support for performers and audience members alike.